Hey, so if you're planning to connect SMS to your Wix website and essentially run SMS marketing or SMS campaigns, here are three reasons why you should use an app like Mercury compared to the other apps that are on Wix. So the first is you get a SMS number that is specific to you. So we purchase a phone number that you can buy from us, and that is only linked to your particular store. It is not a shared phone number, which means that you own the authority on the phone number, and that phone number is fully only for your business. So that is one. The second, when you have a phone number linked to essentially your particular website or your particular business, what would happen is it would essentially help you have conversations with the customer. So if someone replies, you have an inbox that essentially helps you reply back to the customer, and you can also have a two-way conversation with your customer, because SMS is essentially a very personal channel, right? Like it lands in people's inboxes, so you can respond back to them. Now the third is we are integrated with Wix automations. So any type of automation, any type of notification that you would like to integrate SMS into, we can essentially help with the help of an API. We can send out that particular automation to you, to your customer, right? So that is how we are going to help. Now let me take you through a demo of the app and show you how the app will essentially be set up and how you can send your marketing campaigns, set up workflows, all of those things on Wix.
So here's how we can essentially use the Mercury app. The first thing that you would need to do is log into your Wix dashboard, go to the app market. Now once you go to the app market, just search for SMS or just search for Mercury. Now here you can see it says two-way SMS marketing, and then all you need to do is install or open the app. Now once the app is installed or opened, it will ask you to create an account, and then once an account is created, this is what you will see. So the app works for both SMS and WhatsApp, but here we'll only cover the SMS side of things. The first thing that you would need to do is fill up a form. So essentially when you fill up a form, what would happen is Mercury will collect the information, and the information will be used then to purchase a SMS number for yourself. So the form is pretty simple and straightforward. It has a few fields like the entity name, tax ID, website URL, and things like that. And once this information is submitted, then you will essentially be contacted to purchase a phone number, or you will essentially Mercury will have all the information to purchase a phone number for you. Now once the phone number is purchased, you will see it will look something like this, right? Like where a phone number will be assigned to you, it will be assigned to the store or to the website. And now once the phone number is assigned, there are a few things that you can do. So the first thing that we do is we sync all the contacts from Wix. Now once the contacts are synced from Wix, you can see the status of the contacts. All of them are synced. Are there any duplicate contacts? You can filter by status, filter by label, and then accordingly create lists. So for example, if I say if I pick a list, like it will essentially give you so here I select this, then I say create a contact list, then I say demo list. Now this list has been created. So now if I go to Mercury, here I can see that this is a demo list. Now to this demo list, then I can essentially go and start sending SMS campaigns. So very simply, I just go here, create a campaign. Now I pick the list that I want. I pick which phone number that I would like. You can also onboard multiple phone numbers onto the platform. I can essentially pick from a template, or I enter the text that I want, and then I essentially send the campaign immediately or send the campaign schedule for later. What you could also do is, if you would like to send yourself a test message, you can enter your phone number here and send yourself a test message to see what it looks like. Now once the campaign is sent out, you will essentially be able to see all the campaign related stats, whom it was delivered to, what is the status of the campaign, all of that, depending on which platform that has been used. Right, so it will tell you whether it is SMS, WhatsApp, what type of message it is. All of that can be done. Now once that is done, the next thing that you can essentially look at is if someone has replied. If someone has replied, what you could do is you could navigate to the inbox and then respond back to people. Like here you can see that there are some conversations that are going on, and these conversations can essentially be responded to both on the SMS and WhatsApp side. That is what will happen. Right, so now once the channel is loaded, you will see that you can all the conversations can be replied to from the inbox itself.